Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to use a Visa gift card in Toca Boca. Confirm that your Visa gift card is activated and has sufficient funds to make purchases. You may need to activate the card by following the instructions provided with it or by visiting the issuer's website. If you are using an Android device, add your Visa gift card to your Google Play Store account. For iOS devices, add it to your Apple ID in the App Store. Open the Google Play Store app, tap on the menu icon and select Payment Methods. Tap Add Payment Method and choose Credit or Debit Card. Enter your Visa gift card details including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Tap Save. Open the App Store app. Open on your profile picture or name. Select Payment and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Methods and choose Credit or Debit Card. Enter your Visa gift card details and tap Done. Launch the Toca Boca app on your device. Within the Toca Boca app, go to the section where you can make in-app purchases. This typically includes buying additional content, unlocking features, or removing ads. Choose the item or feature you want to buy within the Toca Boca app. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the payment screen. When prompted to choose a payment method, select your Visa gift card. It should appear as one of the payment options if you have added it to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store account. Enter any required information, such as your Google Play or Apple ID password to authorize the purchase using your Visa gift card. Confirm the transaction. After completing the purchase, check your Toca Boca account or use the app itself to ensure that the item or feature has been successfully added or unlocked. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.